Hi guys, my name is Abdulrahman Siddiqui, aka Pakistani Pepper, and today I'm going to show you how to add images and video from both your computer and the internet to your PowerPoint presentations. This is the second in a video series on how to make PowerPoints more engaging, the first part of which I'll link in the description and above. Now, let's get to the tutorial. This is how to add images and video to your PowerPoint right now. So here I have my PowerPoint where I'm going to be doing a presentation today on William Shakespeare, and I want this to be an image and video presentation. Well, I'm going to start by adding a new slide, and the first thing that I can do here, there's two ways that I can add an image. The first thing that I'll look down here is you'll see a bunch of smaller buttons that you can immediately add with something. So insert a table, insert a chart, insert a smart art graphic, 3D models, whatever it may be. And the most important for us is pictures. So right now I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to save a picture. So I'll save it, William Shakespeare. I'll go to images and I'll save an image of his on my pictures. So in pictures, I'll save the image. Now I'm going to go back to PowerPoint, and there in inserting pictures, I'll click there and I'll insert that picture, and that's my William Shakespeare picture. Now notice how if I wanted to add a title, it starts giving me a bunch of options on the side. So I'll just click on one of those and I'll say William Shakespeare, respected playwright. And that right there is a picture that I took from the internet and just immediately made into PowerPoint. Maybe I don't want to do this. Maybe I want to take a picture that I find online. So I'll go to new slide again, and this time, instead of picture, I'm gonna go to online picture. And by the way, everything I'm showing here, these buttons, you can also find up here on the left by clicking inserts, pictures, online picture. So that I can do there, or I can click here. So I go there and then I'll once again type in Shakespeare. And I already used that picture, so I'm going to attempt to use another picture, and I will say this one, and then I'll insert it. And then once again, maybe I want to add a title to the side, so I'll say the cover page of Shakespeare's original copies. And that right there essentially becomes an image that I added from online. And notice how this one even has a little source at the bottom. This one's not useful because it says unknown author, but in the future they will have them if you pick a good source. So I can leave that, or I can just get rid of it by just clicking on the text box and going there. I'll once again create a new slide, and now I want to do the next step. I want to do a video. So this time, once again, I have the option here. I can insert a video from here, or I can go up here and I can do it again from here. And with the video, I'll again have several options. I can have an online video, or I can have a video on my PC. And here, I'll find the video that I recorded and I'll insert it here. And this is a small video that I have on Shakespeare that I was just able to insert. And once again, they're giving me options here on how I can place it so that people see it a certain way. So I'll go like this, and that can give it a nice clear color. Or I can do this option where it lets me describe my video. So my video is about a small video about Shakespeare. And I can describe that video once again, and in my presentation, this video is going to play on its own. Now, once again, I can also do this from the internet. So right now I had this video saved on my computer, but let's say I wanted to grab it from YouTube. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go once again to insert video, and I'm going to do online video. And where it says URL, I'm going to put my link in there that I got from YouTube, and I'll insert that. And now in a few seconds, that YouTube video is here, and it can go right from there. Whenever somebody is watching this with connection to the internet, they'll be able to see it in the PowerPoint. Now, obviously this is from the internet, so this won't be included when I export it, if I were to export it to a movie file. But if I were to simply save this PowerPoint as a PowerPoint and share with anyone, they would be able to see all of my images and all of my video. So that's it. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments below, and if you found the tutorial helpful, consider liking and subscribing. This is Pakistani Pepper saying peace out, stay peppery, and don't forget, sometimes life's best lessons are in the stories we hear least. Have an awesome day, guys.